here we are at the EC Mall. We just have received our G9 Mark II here, fresh in the box, and we're so excited to open this up once we get back home. And like, this has been the camera of the year that I've been waiting for quite some time. And this G9 Mark II is it's such an amazing camera. I'm gonna test every feature that this camera has to offer, right from the photos, right from the videos, and every single setting, every single frame rate, every single thing. And also I'm getting this 25mm f1.4 lens, which is 50mm equivalent, and so I'm excited to test this as well. Also, I have this 12mm Leica lens, very classy lens that I want to test with this camera. I want to test the stabilization and such. Let's just hope everything goes well. So here we are unboxing at the store to make sure everything is okay and as expected. So we do have a 64GB card that comes with the camera. So here we can see this is how it's been packed. A lot of languages. So we do have a strap, camera strap. We have the camera itself. Wow, looks fantastic, so glossy. Alright. I love the store because the people are so accommodating. This is G9II. Right. So now that we have arranged, this is the cable. Right. So this is like USB Type-C to Type-A cable. Here we have the charging adapter. So we have multiple charging adapters for different countries. So we have this huge battery. Oh, okay, the battery is huge. I'm pretty sure it's not charged yet. So we have here the lens and lens hood. Right, so the lens also I think is 12 to 60mm lens with hood. Fantastic. Excellent. Right, so now the box is aside. So this is all we get when we unbox the camera. Right, now she's removing the hood.